Is there anything sadder than a silent vacuum? You pull the trigger on your trusty Dyson V10, ready to declare war on a dust bunny, and nothing, just silence. It's a total cleaning buzzkill. This specific issue, where the suction is stuck or the unit simply won't respond to the trigger, is becoming a common headache for Dyson V10 owners. It feels like a battery issue, but our diagnostics at RoboCare reveal the real villain, a faulty motor. Essentially, the internal electronics have failed, breaking the communication between your finger and the vacuum's power. A dead motor means zero cleaning power, leaving your floors to be slowly taken over by dirt and allergens. And trust us, shaking it or yelling at it won't bring it back. But don't throw it in the trash just yet. RoboCare specializes in expert vacuum repair. We have the fix to get your Dyson V10 roaring again. At RoboCare, we don't just guess. We are experts in vacuum repair with years of experience navigating the complex architecture of Dyson machines. We know the V10 inside and out. When a unit arrives with these symptoms, our technicians use precision diagnostic equipment to test electrical continuity. In this case, our testing confirmed the culprit, a faulty motor. This isn't something you can fix by just cleaning a filter. We carefully disassemble the main body, remove the burnt-out motor assembly, and replace it with genuine components. We ensure the trigger mechanism communicates perfectly with the new engine before we ever close it back up. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. And look at that. Responsive, powerful, and controlled. The suction is back to full strength, and the trigger works perfectly. It's cleaning like it just came out of the box. Got a vacuum issue? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.